Okay, I have limited time, so we're doing an example quickly.
Population goes from 2 to 103.
So we have a population grows from 2 to 100 in 3 years. I'm going to go out on a limb and assume these aren't people. People don't breathe this fast. How many in 7 years? How do you figure this out? Oh, did I tell you guys about the terrifying news article I read this morning?
You don't have time for, you don't have time for
We
that.
do have time for this.
Okay.
It started with a bat flew into Maria's mouth.
Wow.
It was an article about rabies.
No.
Yeah, not a cool thing.
Anyway,
but that is what you could have growing
Can
at this kind of rate
could you
among people.
could you just-
Rabies-infected people.
Could you just find, can you find a rate of change by dividing the difference by the time allotted?
No, don't do that.
Okay.
That would be a reasonable thought.
Right.
However, that would assume that this thing is growing
Constant.
linearly.
Yeah, and it's not necessarily because it's an
Right.
exponential function. So
And
you
this
gotta do
is
it-
definitely not going to be growing linearly because that's not how populations do.
so
7x to the e plus 90.
Close.
98.
I'm liking this part
the-
of that. There's definitely an E,
Oh, and then there's an x.
and then there's a.
So let's do t.
So I'm gonna do t's, right? So I'm gonna start with p of t is p0 e to the rt.
All right, p0 is 2.
Hey, nice.
Uh,
P0 is 2 because if you plug 0 in,
Yeah.
you get 1 out of this piece,
Yeah.
and if you
UT
plug 0 in, you should get 2.
UT is 3.
Yeah.
No,
Oh.
it's 7. No, it's 3. No, it's 3 for now, and then we'll change it to 7 when we need to figure it out.
Yes, perfect. It's 3 for now. So what you know is you know p of 3, right, is 2e to the 3r. But what else is p of 3? How many people you got in 3 years?
You got it, 100.
You got 100, right? So you put 100 in over here.
Wait, then you get 98?
Not 98 more. How many do you have?
Oh,
100.
You don't know that the 2 people that you started with are even alive,
okay,
right?
okay,
Because they might not be people.
okay.
It could be bats or bacteria, like
I'm a-
whatever. So, how do you figure out what r is?
You solve what? You
Solve for r, right?
Yeah.
So you do multiply by a half, then natural log things, then multiply by a third. In the end here,
Yeah, you're right.
you get log of 50 over 3 is r,
Dude, that was good.
right? C algebra.
Natural log.
Okay, then next thing.
All right. Well, now you know what your r is.
Yeah, now you know what the growth rate is.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
right here.
Yes.
So you take that growth rate and you jam it
Into
in for r up here.
Yes.
So then you know what p of t actually is. So you get p of t is 2e to the log of 50 over 3t.
Okay. T is 7 now.
Ah, and now I'm interested in not p of t in general, but p of 7. So I put 7 in here, and this is the number you're looking for.
Wow, we just learned.
Cool?
You learn.
You have learned.
Things.
Whatever.
Give our-
Cool. Good talk.
He's the learning.
All right. It should be noted that when you finish these off, you should answer them like a person. I have not answered this like a person.
Agreed.
But how would I answer this question like a person?
He said after 7 years, the population will grow from 100 to this.
From 2 to whatever.
Yeah.
I would accept the population in 7 years is whatever this number is, or is about whatever this number is about.
All right.
Cool?